Hello guys, welcome back again to the channel. Today I'm going to show you lots of things that you probably didn't know yet about your Honda Civic. Okay, let's start. The first thing that I'm going to show you is how to fix this uneven hood. And as you can see, there is a slight opening. In order to fix this, you have to pop up the hood. The reason this one is the hood is uneven is because this one occasionally it gets loosened. So this one you have to double check. You have to just tighten this one. See? At the very end. You check the other one, the other side. It's gonna be the same thing. Okay? That's why your hood is uneven, because of these two guys. And also it applies the same on the hatch on the other side. I'll show you where. See, now it's even. Okay, that's the first one. Okay, and on the hatch, you just have to check this one also. So occasionally it gets loose. See? So you just have to make sure this one is tight, so your hatch is also properly closed. Next is the gas lead. So if you ever experience when you are refueling, the gas is overflowing, there's 100% reason why it's overflowing, because you did not wait 5 seconds. It's literally on the label that you have to wait 5 seconds. Once you hear it clicks, then that's the only time that you're gonna pull out the gas pump nozzle to prevent it from overflowing. And next for this topic is the side mirrors. Just in case you break this side mirror glass, you don't have to replace the whole thing. You just have to pry this glass. You can buy online for like $20 to $30. So it's not necessary to replace the whole thing. You just have to buy this glass. Okay. Next feature that you probably didn't know about your Civic is this function. You see that there's a small hole here. I don't know if you can see. You could just remove the small plug. What this function does is, when you, let's say you got a dead battery and then you need to move the car back and forth, so you can't move it because the transmission is locked. So the function of this one is to release that shifter. Okay, so now you can use your key fob key or any keys, as long as it can go in that hole. You have to slightly push it. Okay, there you go. Gonna insert the key, put a little bit of pressure. Okay, now I can see, now I can put it into neutral. Okay, that's how you're gonna move your car. Okay, and I'll show you again another feature that you probably didn't know. Next feature on this list is the hatch door lock. I'm gonna open all the doors. You hear that one? Okay, I'm going at the back. Okay, there are two buttons here on the hatch. The one on the left side is the unlocking button for the hatch, and the one on the right side is the locking button for the front door and rear doors. And next topic on our list is the child lock. I don't know if you can see, this is where it's located. Once you put this one down, this door, they can't open it. Okay, let's give it a try. So now it's locked, so even if you try to open it, you won't be able to open it because it's already locked there on the door. So yeah, let's give it a try if I can open it here. See, I pressed that unlock button. Can't open. Let's see the other door. This one is open. See, now I can open it. because I did not put the tab down. So you won't be able to open it from inside, you can only open it from outside. Okay, now I have to put it back to where it was. And last but not the least, I'm going to tell you on how to know if your car is been in an accident. By just looking at the seat belt, you just have to check the date. Like mine is like April 25, 2017, and the model of my car is 2017 hatchback. So besides looking at the Carfax or any reports, you can tell that the car has been in an accident if the seat belt has changed. If the seat belt is not the same date as the vehicle, then it's been in an accident. And that is all for today. I hope you like it. I hope you pick up something. I hope you learn something. And if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. And see you on our next video. Thanks.